From this media, you will know the procedure prescribed by the Intact Stability Code on the procedures and preparations to conduct an inclining test. This ship is moored in deep, sheltered, and quiet waters so that she can be inclined in the water freely without coming into contact with the bottom or berth. Moorings should not only allow unrestricted movement, but should also provide proper restraint to the vessel. To minimize free surface effect, the tanks are either emptied and stripped or pressed up. Ship shall be upright with all the weights to be shifted in position. Inclining should be carried out by shifting weights. Transferring ballast to list the vessel is allowed with the administration's permission. Weights should not be of hygroscopic nature or porous, and they shall not absorb water. Weights shall be sufficient to incline the vessel by 1 to 4 degrees without causing any change in the shape or size of the waterplane of the ship. Pendulums are preferably used to measure inclination deflections. U-tubes and inclinometers and pendulum combinations can be used if the administration authorizes. Pendulums should be positioned to allow deflections of up to 15 centimeters on either side for an inclination of 4 degrees. Pendulums made of piano wire or monofilament wire shall be used, and they shall be 4 to 6 meters in length. Pendulum length should be accurately measured and recorded. 3 pendulums, minimum 2, are set up as shown in the figure. A trough filled with water shall be provided to dampen oscillations. Deflections are first marked on the batten and then measured by engineering scales. The dock water density is measured using an accurate hydrometer before carrying out the inclination. Inclining weights are marked with their weights and positions before they are placed on board. A set of 5 freeboards are taken on either side or 6 drafts, forward, aft, and midship, to obtain accurate displacement as per the hydrostatic tables. There shall not be any items that could shift during the inclination. Weights are moved transversely in the same direction so that the vessel's trim does not change. 8 movements are made and deflections are recorded. After completion of all movements of weights, the ship should still be upright. Movement of weight, deflection, and the resultant value of tangent phi, deflection over the length of the pendulum, are accurately recorded and plotted for each movement, as shown. A straight line passing through the center shows a perfect inclination. In other words, no free surface, bottom touching, or wind. All the data are recorded only in the presence of the authorized representative of the administration.